Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll explain how to screenshot view once on Instagram without alerting the sender. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Instagram and tap the direct messages icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is where all your private chats and view once photos are stored. Step 2. Select the conversation where you want to send or receive a disappearing photo. Make sure you stay inside this chat so you don't miss the view once media. Step 3. Open the view once media in your DMs, but do not leave the chat yet. This step is important because timing matters when taking the screenshots. Step 4. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. This panel gives you quick access to important phone controls. Step 5. Turn on airplane mode to disconnect your phone from the internet. This helps prevent Instagram from sending a screenshot notification. Step 6. Tap on View Photo to open the image. Be ready because the photo will only be visible for a short time. Step 7. Quickly take a screenshot before the photo disappears. This captures the image while your phone is still offline. Step 8. Exit Instagram and open your phone's Settings app. This helps fully stop Instagram from running in the background. Step 9. Tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications depending on your device. This section shows all the apps installed on your phone. Step 10. Find and tap on Instagram from the list of apps. This opens Instagram's app-specific settings. Step 11. Tap Force Stop and confirm your choice. This prevents Instagram from detecting the screenshot action. Step 12. Turn off airplane mode to reconnect your phone to the internet. Your connection will return to normal. Step 13. Reopen Instagram and continue using the app as usual. The sender will not be notified about the screenshot. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.